To write our first JavaScript program, first I'm going to create a folder that I could open using Visual Studio Code. For that, I'm going to go to my file explorer and create a folder that I'm going to name as JavaScript course. And I'm going to open this empty folder using Visual Studio Code. So I'm going to click on open folder and open that folder. And in this folder, I'm going to maintain all the lessons that we're going to go through this tutorial. The first lesson is going to be hello world. So I'm going to say lesson 1 is going to be hello world. And in this folder, I'm going to create a file that I'm going to name it as home.html. And in this file, I'm going to create a paragraph which is going to print hello world on the browser. To create a paragraph, I'm going to open a paragraph tag, and in which I'm going to write hello world and close that tag. To browse this file, I'm going to right click on this file and copy its path and go to Chrome. I'm going to use Chrome for this video tutorial. You can use Safari, Firefox, or Edge. Any modern browser should be fine. And then I'm going to paste that address in the address bar, and that's going to print hello world on the browser. I'm going to keep my Chrome and Visual Studio Code side by side so that it gets easier for me to test these things. I'm going to close this file explorer. Now, I don't want to show hello world using HTML text. I want to print this by JavaScript. I'm going to first remove this hello world and save the file. And if I refresh the page, I don't see hello world anymore. I want to print hello world by using JavaScript. For that, I'm going to create a script tag. And in the script tag, I want to access this paragraph. To access that paragraph, first we need to set an ID to that paragraph. I'm going to set demo as its ID. And now I'm going to write a statement which we don't have to understand. We don't have to understand what objects are, what functions are, what assignment operators are right now. We're going to go through that in the video series. But I want to show you that we can print something on our browser by using the statement, which is going to be, I want to get the current document. And then I want to call get element by ID, which is going to be this ID, demo. I'm going to pass that so that I can get access of this paragraph. And I want to set its inner HTML to hello world. And I'm going to end the statement by semicolon. Now, if I refresh the page, then you can see that hello world is getting printed even after setting paragraph as empty. It's setting hello world to that paragraph using JavaScript. There is one more way that we could log something to our browser by using JavaScript. I'm going to remove the statement, and instead of that, I'm going to say console.log, and in which I'm going to pass hello world here. And now if I refresh the page, hello world will go away because we are not setting hello world to our paragraph anymore. We are logging hello world in our console. To see that, I'm going to go to my settings and go to more tools, open developer tools. And in the console tab, you'll see hello world getting printed in my console. So these are the two ways you can test your JavaScript concepts by printing on the page or in the console. In the next section, I'm going to talk about statements and assignment operators.